Following the conclusion of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections in India, world leaders have flooded in with congratulatory messages for Prime Minister Narendra Modi as his Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance clinched a majority, securing a historic third consecutive term in office. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu was among the first to extend heartfelt wishes to Prime Minister Modi, emphasizing the strong bond between their nations. In a post on X, he wrote, "I extend my warmest congratulations to Prime Minister Narendra Modi on being re-elected for a third consecutive term. May the friendship between India and Israel continue to surge towards new heights. Badhai ho." Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni affirmed her commitment to strengthening the enduring bond between Italy and India for the mutual benefit of their citizens. In a post on X, Meloni wrote, "Congratulations to Narendra Modi on the new electoral victory and my warmest wishes for good work. We will continue to work together to strengthen the friendship that unites Italy and India and consolidate cooperation on the various issues that bind us for the well-being of our nations and our peoples." Leaders from the Indian subcontinent also extended their wishes to Prime Minister Modi, with Bhutan Prime Minister Tshering Tobgay expressing anticipation for enhanced bilateral relations and commending Modi's efforts in steering India towards progress. In response, Prime Minister Modi expressed gratitude, highlighting the continued strengthening of relations between Bharat and Bhutan. Nepali Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachand lauded Prime Minister Modi's victory, recognizing the successful completion of India's democratic process. PM Modi in turn reaffirmed his commitment to strengthen the friendship between India and Nepal. Despite ongoing diplomatic discord, Maldives President Mohamed Mizu expressed eagerness to collaborate with Prime Minister Modi for the advancement of the nation's shared interests. Similarly, Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe emphasized the importance of fortifying ties between neighbouring nations. Leaders from farther afield, such as the Prime Ministers of Barbados and Jamaica, also congratulated Prime Minister Modi for his victory. Although the BJP fell shy of the majority threshold with 240 seats in the Lok Sabha, critical support from allies like N. Chandrababu Naidu's Telugu Desam Party and Nitish Kumar's JDU propelled the NDA to victory with a total of 292 seats. Surpassing exit poll forecasts, the Congress Party secured 99 seats, marking a significant improvement from its 2019 performance. The opposition India bloc emerged victorious with 234 seats, posing a strong challenge to the NDA's dominance.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.